Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday, May 18th already. I cannot believe that. But anyway, we are about to do our usual. You already know. We're going to grab some brunch in a minute. My husband's on his way home. Y'all, we had a packed weekend. We laid my uncle to rest, and it was a beautiful, beautiful service. And then on yesterday, Saturday, my baby cousin got married. It was so sweet. And I'll try to insert some pictures here. I did get his permission, so it was awesome. But needless to say, this weekend has flown by. So my husband wants to cut the grass. It's pretty warm here today, but we're going to get something to eat because we had some good meals this weekend. But I think, just depending on the mood, the funeral and all that, I really didn't have an appetite. And the same with my husband. He's really picky about, foods. And, with us, or in most funerals, it's always going to be fried chicken, and he doesn't eat fried foods. And I'm on a no fried food month for the month of May. But y'all, I didn't kind of cheated, but just a little. I pulled most of the skin off. But anyway, no fried foods for the rest of this month. So we're going to just grab maybe Waffle House. We're real simple people, and we haven't had that in a long time. So I think we're going to do that. And then we're going to get back, and he's going to do some yard work. Y'all, we still haven't picked out any flowers yet for the front yard. We've been just so busy, and plus we've been having very unusual weather here. It's been pretty cool sometimes at night. It went from extreme hot to almost 90-something degrees in April to cool nights, even in the upper 40s, 50. It was really weird for us this time of the year. I think it's safe to say for next weekend, we'll go ahead. My arm's getting tired, y'all, sorry. And excuse this mess in the background. Layla's toys. We just picked her up from daycare. She stayed overnight the other day, and she's just gone crazy with these toys. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember what I was saying now. My husband just got in and putting up the meats. He just got it this grocery store. But what I was saying was about the flowers. So I think if not, it's not going to happen today. But next weekend being a holiday weekend, we're going to pick out some flowers. I kind of have the colors in mind that I want. But I'll definitely take you along with us when we do that. And that's it. So we definitely want to do some things around the house, and definitely want these walls painted. Girl, I done told y'all I cannot stand that color. And now it's almost like when you come into your home and you want to be comfortable. It's supposed to be your happy place, and lately it has not been. This color is taking everything out of me, y'all. It's just dreary. I'd rather have white walls than this color. But anyway, we may look at some more color swatches today. I'm not sure, but I will take you along whenever we do that. But we're about to head out. Hubby is back, like I said. But we are going to get out, and we'll talk to you later. Okay. All right, where to go?
You've been talking about patience.
Yeah, y'all, we are here at Waffle House. We haven't been here in forever, so we're excited. But it's nice out.
You know I feel inside. You know what is real, and I fuck with your vibe, but I don't think that we should tie. I know, for real, I know the deal. So please set me free. Let me be. I know, for real, I know that deal. So please set me free. Just let me be.
Not anymore.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
So we'll probably use this one.
Yeah, for those little ones. talking about the full red and these are so pretty. And there's my favorite color, yellow. Love these. Love these. We just got back in later out here. Y'all, it is hot. You good, girl? You ready? Is it hot? We're about to go back in, y'all. We had a great time. Got a lot of stuff done. So we are chilling. My husband, we pulled up. And yeah, as you can see, we went to Lowe's. And y'all, where's my microphone? But we went to Lowe's and got some more swatches for some of the possible colors that we may be painting this wall. Remember this wall right here? Guys, I cannot stand it. It's got to go, okay? It's got to go. But anyway, we just got in and we're about to chill out for a minute. And where are my swatches? I'm gonna show you the swatches I got. And they look pretty good. So I don't know, I think we're gonna choose between those colors for sure. So we'll see. As I told you, my husband's out here making new friends, honey. So this guy, he was doing our neighbor's house and he's like, I am on a mission to get these bushes planted. So yeah, he's outside making new friends, honey. He is a networker. I am too. But when it comes to his yard work, y'all, he is on it. But let me show you the colors that we did pick up. We have some downstairs and they are beautiful. But you know, this time around, when I paint, I don't want to have to paint again. This is the final time we will paint the downstairs because when we place the house on the market for our final home, usually the realtors want the color neutral, if not white. I'm hoping we won't have to paint that white, but we wanted a more neutral color, more, you know, appealing color to make it seem more open and stuff downstairs. So anyway, we chose the following colors today. We'll make a final decision, but we're not going to have the house painted until we get back from vacation, from our anniversary trip in June. So it'll pretty much be the, oh goodness, I don't think it'll be the first week in July. I don't know. But we have a family reunion, my mom's side, on the 11th through the 13th of July. So luckily it's here, so we don't have to travel. It's like 20 minutes, maybe 30 max from us. So that's awesome. So we're looking forward to that. But y'all, with that said, we have so many projects we want to do. So, but the primary one is getting this house painted. I'm sick of looking at these walls, okay? So anyway, let me show you the colors we chose today. These are the two colors, the swatches that I had before, and I think we're liking this is this it? Wait a minute. Where is it, y'all? I need my glasses. But anyway, these are the two that we've had before. And we like the Playa. We like this one right here. But these are the four we got today. And I really like the canvas. What is that? Y'all, I can't even see. It's a shame. Canvas tan, kind of. We don't want it too brown, but I like this natural linen too. So we are just going to place this against the wall in here and just kind of decide, you know, pretty soon on which one we will go with, y'all. But we are ready for this color to be changed. And again, that'll be sometime in July and I will take you along with us.